Car arrives, license plate number recognized, match confirmed, garage door opens automatically. All right, let's be real. What's the most annoying part of driving home? For me, it's pulling up to the driveway, having to stop, and then digging around the sun visor or the center console for that stupid remote, just praying the battery isn't dead again. Today, we're gonna kill that routine for good with Frigate's license plate recognition. Car arrives, door opens. So the right way to think about this is to find that unique sensor that holds the actual license plate number and use its state as the dead-on accurate trigger for our automation. Okay, with that in mind, just follow these steps. First, in your Frigate config file, you'll want to enable license plate recognition and tell your camera to start tracking cars and motorcycles. Then we'll build the automation, which is basically a 3-step process. Step 1, use the state of that license plate sensor as the trigger. Step 2, the action it's going to run is, of course, to open the garage door. And step 3, just save it and give the automation a unique name. So the software side is done, now for the hardware. And full disclosure, I've had this automation plan for ages, but what I'm missing isn't the code, it's a garage and a car. So we're gonna get a little geeky today and use this servo with an ESP32 board to simulate the garage door motor. This clear box here will pretend to be our garage, and this is my ride, a 1:30 scale model car. Okay, software and hardware are in place. Let's see what happens when my ride comes home. Honestly, driving home every day is kind of a ritual, you know? And what we just did was take the most annoying part of that ritual, the stopping, the fumbling, the clicking, and we just completely deleted it. Now, all that's left is that perfect experience of smoothly pulling in as the door opens just for you.